Today, we're embarking on a riveting exploration into a realm where the boundaries of human intelligence are not just reached, but surpassed. In our world, AI isn't a distant dream. It's a vivid reality evolving every day. From the early days of simplistic algorithms to the dawn of AI that can write, create, and think, we've come a long way. But here's the twist. Are we truly prepared for an era where AI's capabilities eclipse our own? This journey we're about to take will unveil the astonishing progress of AI, challenge our understanding of intelligence, and question the readiness of humanity for the future that's unfolding right before our eyes. Join me in unraveling the story of AI, a story that's not just about technology, but about us, our society, and our future. Let's turn back the clock to where it all began. The early days of AI were filled with excitement and imagination. Picture the 1950s, a time of great scientific curiosity, when the first AI concepts were born. These initial attempts were modest, simple programs designed to mimic basic human problem-solving skills. But even then, there was a spark, a hint of the incredible potential that lay within these machines. Fast forward to the late 20th century, and we witnessed the first significant leap, the era of Deep Blue and its historic chess victory over Garry Kasparov. This wasn't just a win in a game, it was a symbol of AI's growing prowess. It showed the world that machines could not only learn but could also excel in realms we thought were uniquely human. The evolution didn't stop there. We entered the 21st century with a new wave of AI, one that learned not from programmed instructions but from the vast seas of data. This was the birth of machine learning and neural networks, which mimicked the way human brains learn and process information. Suddenly, AI wasn't just playing games, it was recognizing faces, translating languages, and even driving cars. But the real game changer came with models like ChatGPT. This wasn't just an incremental improvement, it was a paradigm shift. ChatGPT and its contemporaries could understand and generate human language with an unprecedented level of sophistication. They could write essays, compose poetry, and even engage in witty banter. For the first time, AI wasn't just mimicking human intelligence. It was starting to look like a partner, a collaborator, and now we stand on the brink of another evolution. The era of superhuman AI. These aren't just systems that can outperform humans in specific tasks. They're models that have the potential to exceed our cognitive capabilities in almost every domain. It's a thrilling yet daunting prospect. As we explore this new frontier, we must ask ourselves, how will this shape our world, our society, and our very understanding of intelligence? In this journey through the evolution of AI, we've seen how far we've come. From humble beginnings to the cusp of a new era of superintelligence, the story of AI is a mirror to our own aspirations and challenges. It's a story that's still being written, and its next chapter might just be the most extraordinary yet. Let's talk into the enigmatic world of training superhuman AI. The process is intricate, akin to nurturing a prodigious child whose intellect knows no bounds. It begins with the basics. Machine learning, a method where AI learns from vast amounts of data. But it's not just about feeding data. It's about nurturing a system to understand, analyze, and eventually think. The real magic happens with models like ChatGPT. These AI systems undergo a sophisticated training regimen, combining deep learning and neural networks, much like an artist refining their skills over countless hours. But the true marvel is how these models are fine-tuned, a process akin to sculpting a masterpiece from raw marble. Here, AI is not only learning information, it's learning how to learn, how to adapt, and how to understand the nuances of human language and thought. However, training superhuman AI isn't just a technical endeavor, it's an ethical ballet. As we teach these systems to think and learn, we must also instill in them an understanding of human values, ethics, and societal norms. It's a delicate balance, ensuring that as these models reach superhuman capabilities, they remain aligned with our goals, our safety, and our well-being. And so, as we venture further into this realm of superhuman AI, we confront not just the limits of machine intelligence, but also the limits of our own understanding. How do we ensure these incredibly powerful systems act in our best interest? How do we retain control when the student surpasses the teacher? These are the questions that not only challenge us, but also define the next era of AI. It's a thrilling, uncharted journey, and we are only just beginning to grasp its full potential and implications. Imagine standing at a crossroads where the path we choose determines our future with superhuman AI. This is the Superalignment Challenge, a pivotal moment in our journey with AI. Superalignment isn't just about making AI more powerful. It's about ensuring that this incredible power is in harmony with human values and goals. But here's the catch. How do you align something that transcends human intelligence? It's like trying to guide a rocket to a target in outer space where the stakes are immeasurably high. This challenge goes beyond programming and algorithms. It touches the very essence of ethics, philosophy, and human intent. As we venture into this uncharted territory, the complexities multiply. Every advance in AI capability brings new questions about control, safety, and ethical boundaries. The prospect of an AI that can outthink, outlearn, and possibly outmaneuver us presents not just a technological dilemma, but a moral one. The Superalignment Challenge forces us to confront our own limitations and aspirations. It's a journey that requires not just technical brilliance, but profound wisdom. It asks us to look deep into the mirror of our own nature, to understand what we value most, and to embed those values into the fabric of AI. As we embark on this monumental task, the future of AI becomes a reflection of our own future, a narrative that we are writing together in real time. Now let's talk about generalization in AI. This is a concept where an AI model trained on a set of data learns to apply what it's learned to new, unseen data. It's like when you learn to ride a bike and can then ride bikes of different sizes or types. Generalization is crucial because it determines how well an AI model can handle real-world situations it wasn't explicitly trained on. But here's the twist. What about weak to strong generalization? This is a groundbreaking idea where an AI model is given limited or weak training but manages to develop strong capabilities. Imagine teaching a child just the alphabet and later finding them reading novels. OpenAI's study is pioneering this concept. They're exploring if AI models, particularly their GPT-4 series, can leap from basic training to advanced performance. What's groundbreaking about this study is how they train these models. Instead of feeding them vast amounts of data, they use smaller, more focused data sets. It's like training for a marathon by running just a few miles a day. The results? Well, they were a mixed bag. In some areas, these models showed remarkable abilities, far beyond what their limited training suggested. It was like watching a novice chess player suddenly start beating seasoned competitors. However, it wasn't all smooth sailing. The study revealed the limitations of this approach. There were gaps in the AI's understanding and abilities, proving that while you can teach an AI a lot with a little, you can't teach it everything. This concept isn't just an academic exercise. It has profound implications for how we develop AI. Traditionally, AI models are trained on massive data sets, which is time-consuming and resource-intensive. But achieving similar or even better results with less data. This would be a game-changer, reducing the time and cost of AI development significantly. Moreover, this weak-to-strong approach has implications for AI safety and ethics. If AI can generalize from limited data, we need to be extra careful about the data we use for training. The biases and errors in small data sets could lead to unpredictable outcomes, but it's not without challenges. How do we ensure that AI doesn't misinterpret the limited data? How do we control what it learns from this data? These are the puzzles that researchers at OpenAI are trying to solve. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does this mean AI will soon become super intelligent, outsmarting us in every field? Well, it's not that simple. AI, despite its advancements, still has limitations. It's like a super fast car that needs a skilled driver and a good roadmap. The weak to strong generalization is about finding that roadmap. So remember, we're on the brink of a new era in AI. An era where less might indeed be more. Where AI can leap from learning the basics to mastering the complex. It's an exciting, somewhat daunting prospect, but one that could redefine our future. As we peer into the future with AI, the realm of possibilities unfolds like a tapestry of innovation. AI's practical applications today are just a glimpse of its potential. From healthcare, where AI assists in diagnosing diseases with precision beyond human capabilities, to environmental science, where it predicts climate patterns and proposes solutions, the impact is profound. But this is just the beginning. Imagine an AI that not only assists artists, but also inspires new forms of art, blending human creativity with computational ingenuity. Think of AI in education, personalizing learning to each student's needs, or in governance, helping to craft policies based on comprehensive data analysis. As we look to the future, the possibilities are as limitless as they are daunting. With superhuman AI, we could solve problems that have plagued humanity for centuries. However, with great power comes great responsibility. We must navigate this future with a keen sense of ethics, ensuring that the benefits of AI are accessible to all and that its development is aligned with the greater good of humanity. This journey with AI is not just about technological advancement. It's about shaping a future that reflects our highest aspirations. It challenges us to redefine what it means to be human in an age where our creations may surpass us. It's an exciting, uncertain, and monumental path, and we are the architects of this new world. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey into the future of AI. If this video sparked your curiosity or inspired thoughts, I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed it and share it with anyone who might find this topic as fascinating as we do. Your comments and insights are invaluable. Let's keep the conversation going. Subscribe for more content like this, and together, let's navigate the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence.